You don't have to be in poor health or dealing with some condition in order to benefit from doing bioresonance sessions. It's not just like if you're sick. There's a lot of programs you can run just for general well-being and balancing the body's energies that can get depleted over time just from day-to-day life. There's a lot of programs for balancing all the chakras and the endocrine glands so you have like the proper flow of energy with your hormonal system. You can do balancing for all the different meridians, feeding them with beneficial energy so they're functioning optimally. There's programs you can also run to balance neurotransmitters. You can work, even on the very spiritual level, we can work with balancing emotions, both positive and negative, but we can work on balancing and sending beneficial frequencies to like heighten the body's positive emotions. And then there's also things that you can actually work very spiritually with it. One of the things that happens when you do a lot of energy work is your field starts to become very, very clear. So especially if you start to clear out different toxins and interferences, what you notice that is because your field is clear, your aura becomes much stronger and it's much more sensitive, not in a negative way sensitive, but like in a positive way. It's more intuitive. Your intuition heightens, you can sense things more easily, you tune into things more easily, you have much more perception of the energies around you, and that's really a gift. I think that's really like how we are supposed to be as human beings. So all the work that we can do with the technology, we can use that to just enhance those capabilities and enhance that energetic ability of our body to be able to be a body spirit together functioning in society. So there's things to balance auric blocks, karmic blocks, interferences on your energy field from other sources. So there's a lot of work that you can do that way. And the other aspect of that also is that it's not just about the technology, because while that's running through your body, there's a lot of work that we can run with different healing methodologies like theta healing and core belief work and different kinds of spiritual healing, not through the technology, but just through the spiritual atmosphere that I create with the client. And that aspect is what allows us to really develop where we want to go with our energetic capability as a person living life. So it's not just about, okay, my symptoms are gone, so now I'm good. Because yeah, symptoms can be gone, but wellness and health is just a whole big field beyond just our symptoms being gone. We can actually have levels of vitality and health and connection and well-being that are beyond just the elimination and absence of symptoms. You can have complete like enhancement of your field and of your energy, which is a whole new territory to explore. And that is sort of the benefit of being able to look beyond illness and just looking into not illness, but that whole vibration of well-being that you want to carry forward into your daily life.